Hi everyone. So here's a special message to every students, those who are from tech background or non-tech background, as well as the professionals, those who are working in various domain, and they want to learn the emerging technology, which is IoT, and want to build their own products and want to deploy. But yeah, they don't know the exact roadmap, how to follow that, how to make their own applications, what are the things we have to need to make their own applications, how we can deploy and everything. I am welcome to you all in this video. So I am a Aryan, partner in EduTools Tech Solutions. Okay. And basically, I thanks for you taking out the time to watch this video. And in that video, I will explain you how to learn the IoT and build your own product. And we are going to see the exact roadmap that we can use to make our own idea and learn the IoT and make the products in just 2 days of workshop. Yeah, basically, it's not just the 2 days of workshop. In that also, we are going to take 4 weeks of follow-up sessions. So if you have any doubt after that 2 days of workshop, so we are having a 4 weeks. In that, I am going to solve you every questions, every problem you are getting for your own idea or anything related to IoT emerging field. Okay. So I will guide you also how you can apply in top MNCs, those who are working in this field. And also the best thing is like you can become a freelancer in this field also and earn a money. So please make sure to watch this video till the end without any distraction. So for few minutes, just put your phone on silent mode, turn off the message, anything, ignore that, and just focus on this video. Okay, first question is what is an IoT and what are the explications? So you can go on YouTube and you can find lots of answer about what is a IoT, what is the applications, what are the protocols, everything. It's all about the theory part. But a general term, if I tell you what is an IoT, it simply means connecting any electronics item to the internet so that they can transfer their data. It's called an IoT. Okay, the basic, I think you can say definition is. And what are the application? I can say that. So right now, IoT is like using everywhere, like in home automation, automatic switch off the lights, fan, in healthcare also, in industry also, in smart cities, in traffic light systems. Like right now in agriculture also, many of the country are using these things. And according to data, in upcoming years, like in 10 to 15 years, IoT will be like IoT growth will be like in trillions. So as you see that this is an emerging technology and it is a part of industry 4.0. So first of all, the best example is what are the advantage of this. So from this, you can collect a lots of data that is used for you, like your for any further projects or any purpose. Second thing, by using the IoT, you can make or better the quality of the human lives. Also, you can use the better resources management also by using the IoT. Let me give you an example. For example, you are working in the office. Sometimes it's like you have to go from office after 6 p.m. Sometimes we forgot to switch off the lights. So can we create one model or can we create one device so that it can detect that okay, after 6 p.m. everyone is leaving the room, then automatically the light will be switched off. So from this, what we can do that it will be save our energy also. From this, we can make many more ideas, and there are many more examples also and advantages also that we can do with the IoT. So there are some misconception. Okay, what is IoT? IoT is something like only electronic students can do. No, as we know that I am from CSC background. I also from computer science background. I also go with the coding part and all the steps. But when I enter in this field, I start learning the things. It is a part of that IoT. It's called Arduino. I will teach you what is Arduino known as, what are the applications. I have done lots of projects from this board also. And trust me, guys, after this, in my first year only, I get my first internship based on IoT. By the way, I was from the CSC background, but I get the job from IoT. I don't want to learn lots of electronic stuffs in this field. So there is misconception. Okay, the IoT is for only for electrical students. No. And one more thing, people think that IoT is only for the large businesses. No, it's totally wrong. You can make for small businesses also. I in later part of this video, I will tell you where we can use the IoT. Like in small scale, also you can use that. One more thing, make sure IoT is not complex. Like people think that math is complex. Same people think that IoT is also complex. So if you learn the maths, it will be too simple and it will be too much interesting. Same goes to IoT also. If you start learning the IoT, start making the projects, it will be like it's an easy thing for you. Okay. So yeah, so let me introduce first, sir, who I am. So as I know that I am a partner with the Editools, okay, and also I am a professional trainer and mentor. I do the workshop, I do the training, and I do the mentoring in IITs as well as in government colleges. In you can say companies also. So yeah, I do lots of mentorship on this my machine learning IoT also. So without further wasting any time, let's do the further part of this video and I will tell you the exact roadmap, what are the things we have to cover, what are stuffs we need to know before that. So this workshop or the workshop I am going to take have three major reasons. First of all, what is the importance of IoT and why it is a great choice to choose this field. Okay, what are the things you have to cover that? What are the roadmap, exact roadmap you have to follow that, and how you can do that in short span of time. So yeah, one question which is arise in your mind is like why IoT is a better choice. See, you don't have to invest large. From small things also you can generate money, or you can say you can do the project at small scale also. So like it's in term of agriculture also, home automation, traffic like moisture, traffic like also soil moisture sensor, weather climate. In every aspects of field you can use the IoT right now, and government, private companies all are promoting these things also. That's why right now IoT is a better choice, and you can integrate IoT with any field related to web development, related to data science, machine learning, generative AI, everything you can integrate with the IoT. So this is from that, yeah, IoT is a better choice for right now. And one more thing, it's easy to scaling and cloning. So it is that product you can make, it can scale quickly, okay. And also like using traditional method, it's required lots of manual efforts, okay, for scaling and slower growth. But right now from this, you can scale your product in more faster ways, okay. And let me tell you the roadmap to build the IoT projects and products. So first of all, you have to think about one idea. Not idea, I'm saying that one problem you find out. For example, let me tell you one problem, what I feel. So let me give you one idea, what I think it can be developed in IoT. It's something like that. For example, I always wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay. After that, I always go to my window and pull out the curtains. After that, I make my coffee. Then I go for the bath. So always I follow this routine. Okay. So can't we make some applications in IoT so that with machine learning first of all, or you can say any deep learning, so that the pattern can be absorbed. Okay, the machine can absorb my pattern. After that, when my machine learn the pattern, then always when the time is 6 a.m., automatic curtain will be open, coffee will start making, and the shower will also start. Like sometime I want to bath with hot water, sometime or not normal water. So from this, my IoT device can learn my process. This can be a good thing. So these are the idea what we can do that. That is a problem. After that, now what we have to do? We have to find out the sensors, specific sensors. For example, if I want to make a small project, but I am using a lot of heavy cost sensors, that's the waste of money. So we have to think about regarding that also. Then we have to find which cloud we should use, where we should deploy that on a local host, on a globally, where we should. So there are some free tools where you can deploy that. And in my workshop, I am going to tell you about exact the things which is free of cost for you in the starting thing. And after that, we can analyze the things. Okay, this is the third part. We can analyze the steps, what we are going to do. After that, we are going to deploy for the users. So these are a small roadmap, but yeah, when you start going doing on that, there is a vast roadmap. Okay, so this is best. So what I've tell you, like what are the IoT products we can going to use? So IoT products can be used anywhere, or you can say applications or projects like in offices, home, factory, in every aspect of the field. What you think IoT can be used in every area. And if I tell about my success story of some of my students, so one name is Amit, and he is the student, and right now he is working in top MNCs and making his own IoT products. So right now, what happened when he was before meeting me, he was a freelancer and working in web development, doing a WordPress job. He joined my workshop. Like when I went for the one colleges for my training purpose, he just we can say joined my workshop. After that, he learned the things, and right now he is making his own IoT products and earning the money. So he starts shifting his domain. Okay, so from that he is getting the profit. Again, one name is Tenzin. That girl was from MBA background, and he before meeting me, he worked as a busy schedule 9 to 6 job in business development role, and no scope of upskilling and extra earning anything. When she attended my workshop and also as well as my training. She learned the things. She is from MBA background, no from tech background. She learned the things. She invested her time in this field, and right now she is a IoT product manager in his own company. And now she is taking a showcase their tech skills in IoT. So these are the success stories of my some of my students. Those who are working in this field right now and earning good amount of money. So right now, till this video, I know that this video is too long. So what we have covered? We have covered why is IoT the better choice. Okay, what is the upscaling, how we can do the upscaling and all the stuffs. After that, we find out a short roadmap, what we can follow throughout this whole process of IoT. Okay, so there are two options. Okay, see, right now, everything what you want to do, there are two options. Do it alone. There are two options. You can skip this video, you can minimize the video, and you can do it by alone. So that will be have some cons. It will be slow process. Okay, if you stuck somewhere, you have to try to give the investment of time. You have to give lots of investment time, and after that, they will try an error method will be there. And what is the second option? Is there. You can we can build together. Okay, it will save the time. We can have a mentorship. You will join my training. There will be tested methods. The error we are going to do, I have done my in my school life or in college life, and I will tell you you don't have to do that errors. Okay, and we are going to solve real type problem, and it will save the time, your money also. Let me give you one basic example. If you want to build one bike, like super bike, so you have two options in that. Start building your own bike first of all, then customize the bike and make a super bike. That's the first option. And what is the second option? The second option is take a bike, learn the bike, customize the bike, and that will be a like super bike. So here are the same. In that second case, you are going to save your money, you're going to save your time, all the specs. From this also, time is a money like most costly thing. And right now, you know that in upcoming 2026 or 27, IoT will on the boom. Right now, generative AI is on boom. As well goes to for IoT also. In upcoming time, IoT also going to be on boom 2027 or 2026. So this workshop is for whom? IT professional, those who want to switch their career in different domain, freelancers, students, any product owner, those who want to learn the products. For example, some clients are going to do their IoT projects. So the product manager can also learn the things so that they can manage the product or from their clients. They can know what actually the clients need because they have an idea about IoT also. And also they want anyone want to build their own portfolio also they can join this course. So yeah, this video is too long. So let's meet in the workshop and try to upgrade your skills. Okay, and if you want to do your own startup, you want to work on own idea, you can join this workshop. This is 2 days of workshop, as well as there will be 4 weeks of follow session. So, okay, so book a slot. It is totally free. First of all, it's at no cost. It's totally free. So yeah, we will meet on the workshop. Till take care.